Fees are often the most sensitive topic discussed during a consultation. Our fees vary from case to case, depending upon the circumstances, depending upon your record, depending upon the goals that are set and what needs to be done. We always look at what we can do for our client. We try and be as affordable as possible. We offer affordable payment plans, and we try and do the best job possible for what you're able to pay. Some people cannot afford to hire a lawyer, but we try and make ourselves accessible. We want you to be represented. We want to be able to provide a good job. We want to be able to provide good service and good results to our client. So our fees will depend upon what the charge is, what the nature and circumstances of the case is, where your case is, what you're looking at as far as the sentence goes, and what you need to have obtained to maintain your livelihood and lifestyle. We'll always work with you. We'll work with you. If you want us to represent you, we'll find a way for us to represent you. We'll find a way for you to afford us. Of course, if you don't have any money, it's going to be impossible. But if you have some money and you can afford to hire some type of attorney, we want to be that attorney for you. Give us an opportunity to discuss your case with you. We can develop a reasonable fee structure and a payment plan to fit your case and circumstances and get you the best result possible.